Chief Secretary ke jela ba DP walang kan pelai pai ba ye ki thup bo jingkynmaw ki belashna kerpang na kabenta ka jingrakhe dap shis pa snem jong ka Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital jayao ha ka jingalang ka belalong ha Margaret E. Buckley Memorial Hall. Ketika jaka ajing sumar kan play perda ye ka jingrakhe dap shis pa snem ha ka sautrik unai weng menta usnem bat kan penha perda pat ha ka laitrik unai weng jong usnem ubanwan. Habakren hadian ke jing pelai pai ba ya kita kitiar u Chief Secretary ulong baman kapor ba opoi ha ka te hospital ka Pynkhreh ya ki por ki belalei amar ka kmi jung u kala tre hangtei hadu kumba laifun rius nem kum ka nurse.
Releasing mementos, and whenever I come to this hospital, I'm always choked with emotions because many of you are aware that my mom worked in this hospital for more than 36 years back as a nurse and sister. So I grew around the environment of this hospital because I've always come and drop her when she was young, and it evokes a lot of emotion in me. In fact, coincidentally, when we went to the Chief Secretary's conference in Dharamshala, Himachal Pradesh, about 3 months back, the additional Chief Secretary of Manipur, Mr. Mang, his mother was also a nursing sister here. So, and most likely he is going to be the next Chief Secretary of Manipur. So, I mean, it's a moment of pride for the hospital that, from 2 nursing sisters of the hospital, like you get 2 Chief Secretaries heading 2 different states. It's really something very unique. That is a happy thing to share, and I would like to mention that the hospital has come a long way, right from 1922, and I was involved for a very short period as the managing committee member, as mentioned, 2015, 2017, and but I'm aware most of the time what is happening, the activities in the hospital, because Mama had worked with me in the health department, the government, as well as Dr. Naurum also was there at one point of time. And I remember we faced humongous challenges at one point of time. That was about 5-6 years back. There was a tectonic change in the structure of the management of the hospital also thereafter. And I'm happy to see that the hospital is back, lively, robust, and found its bearing once again. I think so we should be grateful to God for His mercy, for His grace, and His steadfast love and faithfulness to ensure that this institution is standing and thriving today.